Hi, I'm Lam. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today we are here to discuss my top 5 Chanel's less exclusive order parfums. Just have little samples here and there that I've been trying out, and I went to the store and I will spray it on the card and I go back and forth, and finally I have made up my mind of my top 5. If you haven't already, make sure you consider subscribing to my channel and clicking that notification button next to the subscribe button so that you'll be notified whenever I post my weekly videos. Let's grow this community together. The number 5 fragrance on my top 5 list is a newer fragrance from the less exclusive, and it is Le Lion de Chanel Distinctive in a way because it has that smokiness to it. It has the Chanel DNA, it has that luxurious and artificial, like very clean, sharp scent with a smoky touch, but this is not like a heavy smoke. This is a very light smoke because it has all of those other bright notes that really balances out. And if you are someone who likes to smell very special, you like a little bit of a more masculine touch within the less exclusive line, I would say that that one is a really safe buy. Described as following: faceted with a rich amber accord and featuring bold notes of bergamot, lemon, patchouli, and sandalwood. The scent evokes the spirit of Chanel. Yes, so as I was imagining, there was some smokiness, some woodiness base, but on top of it, it was balanced out by all of these bergamot and lemon and patchouli and sandalwood. It really makes it a really beautiful mixture of all the notes, and it's beautiful. I highly recommend checking that out. Number 4 on my list is very nice. It's kind of going the other direction from Le Lion, and this is number 28, La PAUSA. Wow, this is very clean, soapy, luxurious, delicate, and powdery. Yeah, powdery is a good word for it. Nuances of iris, PALIDA, heightened with pink pepper and vetiver, reveal a radiant accord, an imprint of light. It's much softer than Le Lion, a little bit more understated, but yeah, they nailed the description of this fragrance. It's delicate and it's powdery. So this would be a more classic, more mature woman boss kind of a figure. It's very nice. The only thing is that it's a little bit lighter. If you like powdery scent but you want a little bit of a modern twist and not so heavy, this is a good thing to look into. Number 3 on my list is a new fragrance to me. I have never smelled it until today, and instantly it stands out among all of the other exclusive fragrances, and it is Jersey. This is, I believe, a newer fragrance. It just came out in the recent years. I was comparing this to Boy and Beige. I was hearing so much buzz about Beige, and finally today I was able to smell the 3, and I was trying to see which one I would like more. Boy is a very lavender heavy scent, so naturally, because of who I am, I just like a little bit of a softer, a more feminine touch in the fragrance. So I prefer between Beige and Jersey, but Jersey is just so comfortable. It has this clean linen cloth feeling to it that is like so nice, and it's soft. It's softer than Beige. It's not as perfumey smelling as Beige, so I guess it's less powdery than Beige. Beige is still very light. This one is light too, but it's even a little bit like brighter than Beige. It is composed by Jacques Polge, so I guess maybe it's older than I thought it was. It just smells very modern. It reveals the feminine treasures of lavender by combining it with bourbon vanilla in a creamy accord heightened by notes of white musk, a scent of life and joy. Yes, so there's definitely musk because it has that clean touch to it, but the lavender is there, which like contributes to the clean linen feeling that it gives, but it's lighter than Boy. Boy is a heavier lavender, and yes, it makes sense, a little bit vanilla, hence why I like it so much. Yeah, beautiful number 3 on my list, highly recommend. Number 2 on my list is an exclusive fragrance that I have been a fan of since 2012, and so it's like 9 years ago, and I still to this day love it. I have things that are similar, like White Flowers Deja Vu by Kayali, or Jasmine d'Angers by Dior. I have reviews for both of those, but it just has a special place in my heart. And if you like ultra feminine, if you like white florals, if you like jasmine, gardenia, you need to check out Gardenia from the less exclusive, because it just has that luxurious and unique DNA from Chanel with the white floral and gardenia touch. Beautiful, beautiful. Let me read you the composition of it on their website. It's a fresh and sensual nectar, features a mimosa and gardenia accord. It's not so many white flowers at the same time. It's like a specific bush, and it's a little bit green, but light floral. It has a soapy, powdery undertone, and it's just warm and cozy and very beautiful. I especially like it for the winter months when I feel cold, and then I spray it on and I just feel so warm and comfortable, and I love it. Highly recommend checking that out. Number 1 on my list, which surprises me so much, I think it's because it's getting into the summer, and we just like something a lot lighter and brighter and clean and cooling in the summer. So, Eau de Cologne really took my breath away. It's so refreshing. You know, number 18 is like the greenest fragrance within the less exclusive, and this one is even fresher than that because it has so much like lemon zest or like lime zest in it. It's like you cut into a lime and it's just exploded with this freshness. Not too masculine, not like Bleu de Chanel. It is masculine in the way that it doesn't have any sweetness or powderiness. I guess it's a little powdery, but very slightly. The main thing is like that burst of lemon zest and just freshness. It is created by Jacques Polge. This exquisite interpretation reveals the lively freshness of mandarin and bergamot with airy notes of neroli. Yes, it's very airy, it's very bright, it's beautiful, perfect for the summer. Genderless, everyone can use this, and oh my god, I'm so in love. Highly recommend checking this out, especially for spring and summer. Alright, that's all for this video. I just want to hop on here real quick and tell you my thoughts before I forget all about them. But let me know in the comment section below what you think of these fragrances, which one sounds the most interesting to you, and which one you already have in your thoughts, all of that. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and have a great day. I will see you in my next video. Until next time, please don't flop.